Addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. Adding tens and ones. We have already learned the addition of one-digit numbers from 1 to 9. Now let us add two-digit numbers. Let us take 34 and 3. We take the following steps. Let us now learn to add one-digit number to a two-digit number. Steps for addition. Step 1. Write the numbers in column form. That is, write 3 in tens column, 4 in ones column. Underneath, write plus. Write 3 in ones column. Step 2. Add the ones. That is, add 4 ones to 3 ones, which gives you 7 ones. Step 3. Add the tens. Just simply write 3 tens. So 3 tens and 7 1, which is equal to 37. The answer is 37. Children, we can add a two-digit number and a one-digit number by counting forward. For example, to add 4 and 45, think of the larger number, that is 45. Then count 4 numbers forward, that is 46, 47, 48, 49. Now stop at 49. This is your answer. So 4 plus 45 gives you 49. Addition of two-digit numbers without carrying. Meenu and Rita bought some beads and each of them made a necklace by stringing the beads together. Meenu's necklace had 46 beads and Rita's necklace had 41 beads. How many beads did they use up in all? We have to add 46 and 41 to get the total number of beads used by them. Let's do this. Step 1. Write the numbers in vertical form as well as in expanded form. That is, write 4, 6 in tens and ones column plus 4 and 1 in tens and ones column. Add the 6 ones to 1 1, that gives you 7 ones. Then add 4 tens to 4 tens, that gives you 8 tens. So the answer is 8 tens and 7 ones gives you 80 plus 7 and 87. Let's add the following using vertical method of addition. Add 36 and 40. So write 3 in tens column, 6 in ones column plus write 4 in tens column and 0 in ones column. 36 plus 40, the answer is 76. Let's add another number. 41 plus 28 gives you 69. Let's add another number in vertical method of addition. 62 plus 27. The answer is 89. Let's do one more sum. The zookeeper gave Chunky 25 bananas. Then he gave Chunky 13 more bananas. How many bananas did Chunky get? So the answer is 25 plus 13, that is 38 bananas. Let's do word problems. In a class, there are 23 boys and 24 girls. How many students are there in the class? 23 plus 24 gives you 47. So the answer is there are 47 students in the class. Problem number 2. There are 12 parrots and 15 crows on a tree. How many birds are there on the tree? 12 plus 15 gives you 27. The answer is there are 27 birds on the tree. Problem number 3. Mother bought 6 toys for Mono and 12 frocks for Sonam. How many things did mother buy for them? 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. So the answer is mother bought 18 things for them. Problem number 4. Neha collected 18 roses and Neelam collected 40 roses from the garden. How many flowers did they collect together? So 18 plus 40 gives you 58. So the answer is they collected 58 flowers together. Addition of two-digit numbers with carrying. Now let us add 64 and 16. We may add them as this below steps. Step 1. Write 64 and 16 in columns. Then step 2. Add the ones. That is, add 4 ones and 6 ones, that gives you 10. Carry forward 110 that in tens column and write 0 in the ones column. Step 3. Now add all the tens. That is 110 that you carried forward. You add it to 6 and 1. So 1 tens plus 6 tens plus 1 10 gives you 8 tens. Write 8 in the tens column. So 64 plus 16, the answer is 80. Subtracting a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Out of his 27 books, Anuj gave 5 books to an orphanage. How many books are left with Anuj now? 27 minus 5 equals to how much? First write the numbers in their correct place, that is in tens and ones. Step number 1. Subtract the ones. 7 minus 5 gives you 2. Step number 2. Subtract the tens. 2 minus no number gives you 2. So the answer is Anuj has 22 books left with him. Subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number without borrowing. Nina's mother is 34 years old and her grandmother is 58 years old. How much older is Nina's grandmother than her mother? We have to subtract Nina's mother's age from her grandmother's age. Step 1. Write the numbers in the vertical form as well as in the expanded form. Step 2. First subtract the ones, that is 8 minus 4 gives you 4. Step 3. Then subtract the tens. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. That is, you have 2 tens and 4 ones. The answer is Nina's grandmother is 24 years older than her mother. Do the following subtraction. 44 minus 23 gives you 21. Next problem. 54 minus 12 gives you 42. Next problem. 65 minus 24 gives you 41. Next problem. 43 minus 31 gives you 12. The last problem. 65 minus 11 gives you 54. Now let's do a word problem. There were 59 butterflies. 20 out of them were red in color. How many were not in red color? Total number of butterflies 59. Now write number of red butterflies 20. Now subtract 20 from 59. That gives you 39. Butterflies which are not in red color is equal to 39. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers with borrowing. Now let us subtract 16 from 32. We follow the steps as shown below. Step 1. Write the numbers in column form. That is, write 3 in tens column, 2 in ones column. Underneath write minus, 1 in tens column, 6 in ones column. Step 2. First subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 6 ones from 2 ones. So we borrow from 3 tens, you borrow 1 10. That makes it 110 plus 2 ones, that is 12 ones. 12 ones minus 6 ones is equal to 6 ones. So we get 6. Step 3. Now subtract the tens. As we have left only 2 tens. So 2 tens minus 1 10 gives us 110. So write 1. So 32 minus 16 is equal to 16. Now let's see the short method. Let us subtract 29 from 46. Step 1. Write the numbers in the column form 46 minus 29. Step 2. As we cannot subtract 9 from 6, borrow 110 from the tens column. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Step 3. As we borrowed 110, we are left with 3. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So we get 17 there. So 46 minus 29 is equal to 17. Let's do word problems. Problem number 1. There are 47 children in our school bus. 16 children got down. How many children are there in the bus? Now write the numbers in column form. Then subtract the ones first. 7 minus 6 gives you 1. 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So the answer is there are 31 children in the bus. Problem number 2. I have 15 chocolates. Munni took 6 chocolates. How many chocolates are left with me? Now write the numbers in the column form. 15 minus 6. Subtract the ones first. As 6 is bigger than 5, you cannot take away 6 from 5. So you borrow 110 from the tens column. Borrow that 10, that makes it 15 ones. 15 minus 6 gives you 9. Write 9 and there are no tens. So the answer is 9 chocolates are left with me. Problem number 3. There were 99 books in the library. Ria took out 10 books to read. How many books are left in the library? Now write the numbers in the column form. 99 minus 10. Now subtract the ones column. 9 minus 0 gives you 9. Now subtract the tens column. 9 minus 1 gives you 8. So there are 89 books left in the library. Problem number 4. There were 38 fruits in the basket. We ate 15 fruits. How many fruits are left in the basket? Now write the numbers in the column form. 38 fruits minus 15 fruits. Now subtract the ones first. 8 ones minus 5 ones gives you 3. 3 tens minus 1 10 gives you 2. So the answer is there are 23 fruits left in the basket. Problem number 5. There are 81 fish in the pond. Fisherman took 21 fish out. How many fish are left in the pond? Now write the numbers in column form. 81 minus 21. Now subtract the ones. 1 minus 1 gives you 0. Now subtract the tens. 8 minus 2 gives you 6. So the answer is there are 60 fish left in the pond. Problem number 6. Naina has 23 books. Her brother took out 5 books. How many books does Naina have? Now write the numbers in column form. 23 minus 5. So since 3 is smaller than 5 in one's column, you cannot take away 5 from 3. So borrow 110 from 2's column. So it becomes 13 minus 5, that gives you 8. Write 8 in one's column. Now go to tens column. So 1 minus no number, 0, that gives you 1. So the answer is 18. So Naina has 18 books. Problem number 7. I have 41 red pens. My friends took out 11 pens. How many pens do I have? Now write the numbers in column forms. 41 minus 11. Now first subtract the ones. 1 minus 1 gives you 0. Write 0 in one's column. Now subtract the tens. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Write 3 in tens column. So the answer is 30. I have 30 pens. Problem number 8. Yug has 32 black jeans. 17 jeans are ribbed. How many jeans does Yug have? So write down the numbers in column forms. 32 minus 17. Subtract the ones first. Since 2 is smaller than 7, you cannot take away 7 from 2. So you borrow 110 from the tens column. So 10 plus 2 becomes 12. And 12 minus 7, you get 5 ones. Write 5 there. Now go to tens column. Now subtract 2 tens from 110. You get 110. Write 110 in one's column. So the answer is 15. So Yug has 15 jeans. Let's do some word problems. Problem number 1. Aditya and Surbhi are coloring some cutouts of shapes. Aditya colored 23 shapes which are squares and Surbhi colored 53 shapes which are not squares. Question A. How many shapes are there in all? Add the total number of shapes colored by Aditya and Surbhi. So when you add 23 plus 53, the answer is 76. So the total number of shapes are 76. Question B. Who colored more shapes? You can see Surbhi has colored more number of shapes. 53 is greater than 23. So the answer is Surabhi has colored more shapes. Question C. How many more shapes were colored by Surabhi? So write down Surabhi colored 53, Aditya colored 23. Now subtract 23 from 53. The answer is 30. So Surabhi colored 30 more shapes. Problem number 2. Meghna counted 58 stars and Sheena counted 21 stars. So to know how many stars did they count in all, add 58 to 21. The answer is 79. So they counted 79 stars in all. Hearts. You can see a picture of a school there. You can see there is a ground floor, first floor, and the second floor. The music room at school is on the second floor. There are 41 stairs from the ground floor to the second floor and 20 stairs from the ground floor to the first floor. Now class 1A is on the first floor. How many stairs do the children of 1A climb to reach the music room? That is, subtract 20 stairs from 41 stairs. So 41 minus 20 gives you 21. So the answer is the children need to climb 21 stairs to reach to the music room from class 1A.